Hello and good morning everyone. This is Shivam Kumar Dubey. Today I am going to do a presentation on coal face mechanization which is guided by Professor Singam Jayantu. My references are Introduction to Underground Coal Mining by R.D. Singh sir and ResearchGate.net, CIMFR site and also Science Direct, and my images were taken from YouTube channel video which is mining videos. Okay. So first of all, let's understand face mechanization through images. In the first image, you can see latest longwall complex machine, and in second diagram you can see fully mechanized longwall production. And here you can see something about continuous miner, how continuous miners look like, and also how underground coal seam look like when continuous miner runs there. So first of all, let's understand what does it mean by mine mechanization. Actually, mine mechanization is nothing but it is a deployment of machines at the working place where mineral has to be extracted, and mechanization aims to develop new capabilities for the mining industry and improve safety, profitability, sustainability in mine designs, operations and closure activities. Actually, the main focus of mechanization is the automation in mining activities with use of all the available equipments. The mine mechanization disciplinary research is actually the following disciplinary areas where mine mechanization research are. There are basically so many fields, among which few are we can say that identifying and applying the latest technology in coal and non-coal mines for higher productivity and safety. And along with this, there are investigation and analyzing properties of mechanics of rock, mass of mechanization with long wall technology, short wall method and other continuous mining technologies. So let's start some important activities which are integral part of face mechanization. Actually, there are so many important activities, among which if few we can say. The first one is hard roof management in coal and non-coal mines, and also preparation of mining plan, mine closure plan for coal and non-coal mines, and scientific investigations of mineral rules, regulations and policy to exploit complex deposit. So important achievements. Let's discuss what are the important achievements of face mechanization. We can say that the introduction of oblique short wall mining method, which was used for the liquidation of standing pillars in underground coal mines in India. Actually, it was designed and implemented first by the and implemented in Balrampur mine in SECL region, and also in RKNT mine, Sri Rampur area of SCCL. Extraction was Actually, this extraction was successfully completed in 10 short wall panels of Balrampur mine and 4 short wall panels in RKNT with this technology. There are also few important projects on face mechanization, on mine mechanizations, which are sponsored by CIMFR. It was actually network project for deep coal development of suitable design methodology for extraction of coal at greater depth for Indian geo-mining conditions, which was actually started in 2012-13 and completed in 2016-17. And there are so many observations and what are the things which we have done. Next is types of mechanization. There are basically three types of mechanization. Here we can directly say that 3 steps of mechanization. The first one is drilling by electric drills, explosive and hand blasting with loading, mechanical loading in tubs or car or conveyors. And second one is also something like this, but third one is very important, which is continuous mining, that is mechanical cutting, loading and transport. The equipment may comprise continuous miner and shuttle cars in both development and deploying. Third one can be said as very good example of mechanization, a very good type of mechanization in which there is very less requirements of labors. All the possible tasks are done by using machines, which is continuous miner. So based on actually there was the one topic in RD Singh, that mechanized mining of thin seams. So I took that as a case study, and I have done the case study on mechanized mining of thin seams. and reference is obviously RD Singh, because this topic is present on RD Singh book. The first of all, let's discuss what are the basically in thin sims. There are so many problems in mechanization on thin sims. The first one is traveling and communication, ventilation, airborne dust also, and machine designs and quality of product. So what are the available machines for this thin sims? To do a mechanization mining of thin sims, there are basically few machines are available. We can say that they are shearers, trepanners, and ploughs. Actually, the ploughs are Gleithold ploughs are most suitable. Actually, in ploughs there is a variety which is known as Gleithold ploughs, which are most suitable for working in thin sims, provided the coal is soft and free from hard intrusions and dirt bands. Floor in web embedded conveyor, mount shearer, and double tat trepanners have also been found suitable for working in thin sims in certain condition. Phase development. Basically, in phase development, for phase development, we can use Brepti in sim header that can speedily extract the phase line and required height of installation of support. The phase can be opened quickly compared to undercutting and firing. By using mechanization, we can cut the phase quickly, and phase deterioration is kept minimum, and support and conveyors are built on firm floor at the right level for moving forward. The machines that drop the gate for roadway can be used opening the phase also. So this was something about coal phase mechanization, and at last I want to say that basically a mechanization is a very important phase, basically where there will be a very less hazard to human being, and all the works will be done by the machines in underground coal mining, as there are so many accidents took place because there are so many accidents which took place in underground coal mining. So to overcome such accidents, phase mechanization is a very good approach by which we can minimize the accidents in underground coal mining. So thank you.